the moment you open your trading view, this is the first thing you're gonna see. All right, now on your trading view, the first thing you're gonna see is your watch list, followed by your charts, explore, community, and the menu. I'll be explaining each feature one after the other. Now, the first thing, which is the watch list, which is where we are currently at, is where you can simply add the pairs or currency that you are trading on your trading view. As simple as that. Now what you are seeing here are the pairs that I trade. Okay, now you can see we have indices, we have stocks, we have futures, we have forex, and we have crypto. Right, these are the things that you can trade on your trading view. Okay, now if you are a crypto trader, you go ahead and simply tap on crypto, and then you add every crypto pair that you are trading. And if you're a forex trader, you do the same. Futures trader, you do the same. Stocks trader, you do the same, and so on and so forth. Now for us to add a pair to our watch list, you're gonna just tap on this plus icon here. When you tap on this plus icon here, then you can go ahead to search the pair that you are trading. For me, I'm a forex trader, let me use AUD USD as an example. Now Australian dollar versus the US dollar, I'll simply go ahead to type AUD USD. Okay, now you will see AUD USD, but you will see so many of it. For those of you that are still beginners, what this simply means is that all of these different names that you are seeing here, they are the different brokerage firm that we have. Okay, so all of these, they are different brokers that you can actually trade this particular pair on. If for example you are trading with the Oando broker, then you simply tap the Oando broker. Personally, I use the Oando broker and it is the best for me, so I will simply go and tap on the plus icon here. Tap on the plus icon and then it will be added. Now you can see that it has been added to my watch list. So what I will do now, let me go back again. Now for me to know if that's really added, I can come to my chart. Now we are leaving this interface now, watch list. This is all it is really all about. Okay, you can simply add or remove. If you want to remove, you simply long press, then you remove. Okay, now let us go to the next interface, which is the chart. Now on this chart, this is where you do your analysis. This is where you do your analysis here on the chart. This is where you do your analysis here on the chart. Now remember that we add AUD USD to our trading pairs. So when I come to this place here, when I come here, I can simply scroll and look for the pairs in my watch list. Now as I'm scrolling, you see AUD USD because I added it to my watch list. If I scroll again, you see BTC USD because I added it to my watch list. If I go again, you see US30. So all of these are the pairs that I added to my watch list. That means I can trade them because they are here on my watch list. Okay, now the next thing you want to know is how to navigate your way around this chart and how to use this chart for your analysis. Now the first thing I want to show you is how to add tools. Like if you look at my screen here, you will see some tools here. These are some of the tools that I use for my analysis. Okay, and I added them here as my favorite tools, so that whenever I want to use any of them, I won't have to go and be looking for them elsewhere. Now the first thing I want to show you is how to add all of these tools here, the most important tools that you will need for your analysis. Okay, so what you will do is to come to this pencil icon right here. Okay, you come to this pencil icon, you tap on it. Now you will see that we have so many things here. From the first thing here, we have our favorites. This is the first thing here, favorite. Now it is in this favorite that you can add any tools that you will be needing for your analysis. Okay, now you can see there are so many tools here, but everything that is here are the tools that have been added to my favorite list. Okay, now all of these that are carrying stars, they are the ones that are added to my favorite. Now let's take for example, let me go to tools. which is the first thing. We have different tools. We have the measure, eraser, drawing, eye drawing, lock all drawing, and so on and so forth. Now let me just try my best to see how I can explain some of these things in a very nutshell. Now let me look for the most important things. Let's say I want to draw a trend line, okay, because everything that you need is here. You will see them: trend line, gun and Fibonacci, pattern, forecasting and measurement, geometric shape, annotation, and the visuals. Now let us start with the trend line. Let's say I want to draw a trend line on my chart. I'll go ahead and tap on trend line, but for now I'm showing you how to actually add this to your favorite. Now let's say I want to add this tool here to my favorite, because this has already been added to my favorite already. So all I will do is I will long press on it, then you see add to favorite. By the time I click on add to favorite, it will add to my favorite. Now it has been added to my favorite. If I go back to my watch list, you will see it. Now you can see this is the last thing I just added now, which is the ray. Okay, now let me go back and remove it, because I don't normally use this particular thing. So I will long press on it and then I will remove it. Do you understand? Now you can see this trend line is already on the favorite already, because I always use trend line very well. So it's a matter of knowing what you really need and just going ahead to search it here, and it will bring it out for you. If you go to your geometric shapes, okay, as well, you will see everything that you will normally need for analysis. You see your brush, your highlighter, your arrow marker, your rectangle, and so on and so forth, right? So this is how to add tools to your watch list. Now let's progress. On your interface again, you see something like your time frame. Okay, your time frame. This is your time frame here. You can see I have 4 hours, I have 2 hours, I have 1 hour, and I have 15 minutes. Okay, so all of these things, they are the time frame that we have in trading. So it depends on the time frame that you want to use for your analysis. Then you decide to change it to the particular time frame that you want to use. And then if the time frame that you want to use is not here, what you will do is to simply long press on this. You open this. You just tap on the time frame, and then it will appear something like this. And then what you will do is that you can simply add. You can see all of these are my favorites. They are the time frame I normally use for trading. My 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day time frame. Right now, let's say the time frame I want to use is not here. What I will simply do is I will just scroll down and add it. Let's say I want to add 30 minutes to my let's say I want to add 30 minutes to my favorite intervals. What I will do is I will long press on it, and then I will add it to my favorite. Can you see it? As simple as that. Okay, so this is how to go about adding intervals to your time frame. We have the seconds, we have minutes, we have the hour, daily, weekly, monthly, and so on and so forth. It depends on what you really want. Okay, now that is how to add time frame to your chart interface. Now the next thing I want to explain now should be this icon here. By the time this place is scrollable, you can scroll to your left or to your right. Can you see it? You can scroll to your left or to your right. Now the first thing we have here is the undo. Let's say I'm trying to do something. Let me say I mistakenly deleted this. I can undo it so that it will come back. I'll just come and tap on this undo, and you can see it is back to my chart. Now we have undo and we have redo, as you so want to play around with it. Okay, then the next thing is full screen. Let's say I want to do my analysis on a full screen. What I will do is I will simply tap on this icon here. Can you see it now? And then if you want, you can, if you are doing your analysis on your phone, I normally recommend you putting your phone on landscape, not on portrait, if you really want to enjoy your analysis. So you can just turn it something like this. You can turn it to something like this, and then you can do your analysis. As simple as that. Are you seeing it now? So once you put it on full view, then you can turn your phone to landscape, something like this, and then you can go ahead to do your analysis. Okay, now on on here you can simply be able to see what is going on in the market. This is giving you like a computer view. Okay, so this is how to actually navigate your way around, how to use TradingView on your phone. I'll be doing a special video to explain how to analyze on your phone, how I do my analysis on my phone. I will be doing a special video for that, but for now I want you to use this video to go and set up your TradingView in your phone and everything that you need for your trading. The assignment I'm going to be giving you now is to go ahead and add all of these tools. Go and add your trend line, add your long, your text, your rectangular icon, and the arrow, and so on and so forth. All of the things that you know you will need for analysis, go and set them up on your TradingView. My next video will be explaining in details how you can start using your phone to do analysis on TradingView. See you in my next video.